get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Hey everyone, we're here in BGC, our favorite place here in the Metro. In this episode, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga favorite food stops namin dito. So tara, sama kayo, kain tayo. Okay, isa sa favorite namin puntahan dito for quick food and snacks is Food District Signature on the 5th. So dito, puro budget eats yung makikita ninyo. Okay, so pagbaba namin, didiretso kami agad dito sa Potato Corner, kasi favorite to ni Cyril. So I'll go around, I'll show you the rest of the restaurants that you can find here. So dito, there's Hawker Chan. And then dito naman, we have Henlin. So lagi ding present to. Ayan si Mama, bumibili na. Bibili na yan ng siomai. And then on the other side, you have Sbarro. And then itong fried chicken, Taiwan famous. And then maliliit na stalls that sells pasta, juice, empanada. Ayan. There's QQ Ramen, mocktails, Upgrounds Coffee. There's Inihaw here. This is Bakmi Nyonya. I think that's Indonesian cuisine. Then there's Pepper Lunch. This is Lemon Stop. There's Japanese rice bowl here, Unico. And then Mr. Katsu, Ten Yen King, Opa, Taiyaki, and Gyoza. Here there's Aburi. And then Hot Pot Place. There's Tanghulu over there. And then itong Ono Poke Shop. And then there's Cha Time. So dito naman sa side na to, there's Yao Yao. Another stop, Plato Wraps. Anong binibili mo? And then Avocadoria. Banh Mi here. And then Jamaican Patty. This is Kain. Steak Break. Ayan na si Ara at ang kanyang anak. And then here is Zark's Burger. And lastly is Macau Imperial Tea. Ayan. And of course, there's also Turks here. Okay, so every weekend, nandito kami sa BGC. And before we roam around, nagko-quick stop kami rito para sa snacks. So to start off, syempre, Potato Corner. You like it? Yeah, I got one. It's barbecue. Mm-hmm. Ah, so good. And then, ito ang laging present sa unang stop namin. Potato Corner and Plato Wraps, yung chicken. So good. Kain mo na kami. Oh, sister, ano yung binili mo? Ilocos Empanada. Tapos, si Cyril, Potato Corner. Si Mama
Later
at siomai. What? Half cheese, half barbecue. Okay, for our next stop, dito tayo sa Wangfu. Isa to sa favorite restaurant namin dito sa BGC. Okay, nandito na yung order natin. So, we have the following. Ito yung Hokkien fried rice, yung kanilang Hainanese chicken, fried ramen, cereal prawns, salted egg chicken, and salted egg prawns. Kain na tayo! Okay, try muna natin tong salted egg prawns. Ooh! Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng salted egg na coating niya. Tapos yung prawns, malutong na konti na malambot na matamis. Basta, ang sarap. Good to. Okay, next natin tong Hokkien fried rice. Ayan no, ang daming sahog no. Kuha tayo. Hindi naman ako mahilig, hindi halatang mahilig ako sa ano no. Sa shrimp. Okay, here. Perfect bite. Ang sarap ng sauce ng kanin. Ang sarap ng kanin. Para siyang maalat na konting matamis. Nangingibabaw yung oyster sauce. Ito yung Hainanese chicken, tapos ito yung chicken rice. So, kuha tayo ng konti. Ang lambot niya ha. And then, gusto ko tong pinagsasama. So, ito yung ginger. And then, let's get a little bit of chili. Ito medyo matamis to, so konting-konti lang. Yan, let's get the perfect bite. Chicken rice. Ang sarap. Si Pipo yung may perfect description ko. Actually, for those who are wondering, yung Hainanese chicken, mas prominent sa kanya yung ginger na lasa. So, if familiar kayo sa medyo parang arroz caldo, tinola, no? Medyo ganun yung lasa niya. Next is salted egg fried chicken. Ito yung pinaka-favorite namin dito. Ang lambot ng chicken. Ang sarap talaga ng salted egg coating nila. Panalo. Konti lang yung anghang. May konting cake lang siya. Pero good. Next is the cereal prawn. Isa rin tong really good dito. So, kuha tayo. Grabe talaga to. Iba't ibang texture. Crispy. Tapos ang lambot ng shrimp. Yung unang kagat may konting crunch. Tapos malambot. Tapos yung cereal manimis na mes. Tapos konting alat. Basta, ang sarap. Grabe. Explosion of flavors and textures. And last but not the least, yung kanilang fried ramen. Ito, simple lang talaga yung lasa niya. As in, yung timpla niya, hindi overpowering. So, saktong alat, konting-konting tamis, pero ang pinakapanalo rito, yung texture ng noodles, tsaka yung sahog niya. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa Wangfu. Ang sarap talaga ng food nila rito. Let's go to the next stop. Okay, so for our next stop, dito tayo sa Happy Lemon. Milk tea naman tayo ngayon. Okay, naka-order na tayo sa Happy Lemon. Ito yung favorite kong in-order sa kanila, yung Tiger Milk Tea with rock cheese salt. So, ayan. Shake na natin siya. And then, let's tab it. Sabi nila, may art into poking your milk tea at yung mga Asians yung expert doon. Mali. Ang sarap talaga. Let's go to the next stop. Okay, for our next stop, nandito tayo ngayon sa Masa Barefoot Bakers. So, una ko itong natikman sa La Union. So, I'm glad meron silang branches dito sa Metro Manila. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ino-order ko lagi dito. Okay, ito na yung order natin. So, I have their OG beef, grilled cheese, tapos kay Pipoy, yung morning beef. So, itong morning beef, meron siyang beef, kangkong, talong, mixed whatever vegetables. And then, itong sa akin is grilled cheese na meron siyang pares dip. Oh my God, sobrang sarap nito. As in, sobrang paborito ko to. Kain na tayo. Oh my God, ang init. But yan. Tingnan nyo yung beef, oh. Let's take a bite. Best grilled cheese talaga. Ang sarap ng sourdough bread nila. Tapos yung cheese, ang sarap. Tsaka yung beef. My God. And consistent each time. Lagi kaming, hindi man lagi, pero siguro once every 2 weeks, dumadaan kami rito. Wala nagbabago. Ang sarap. Dip natin siya. Oh, kamusta yung morning beef mo? Favorite? Yung ano, ibabaw ng egg. May chili. Okay, punta muna tayo ng Mitsukoshi kasi gusto ni Sir Real ng Ben's Cookies. So, dito sa Mitsukoshi, meron siya. Bili muna tayo. Okay, here's our favorite cookies. Sana meron pa. There. Ang favorite ni Sir Real dito is yung dark. And then for me is yung milk chocolate. Order tayo. Hi! 1 Ben's box. So, 4 na dark and then 3 milk chocolate. Okay, got the goods. So, yung single cookie nito, it's 119 pesos. If you buy 5, may free dalawa and that's 5.95. Okay, balik na tayo kay Sir Real.
Here's the best cookies for me in the Philippines.
Is it yummy?
It's chewy.
Chewy and sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, for our next stop, dito tayo sa Gatsuman sa food court sa Uptown Mall. So if you're looking for an affordable pero masarap na ramen, this is the place to be. Tara, order tayo. Okay, ito na yung order natin. Ito yung tonkotsu ramen nila. So imagine, pag ramen itself, 180 pesos lang siya. Tapos for every meat, 50 pesos. Ganito kakapal. Then kapag dalawa yung i-add mo, 90 pesos lang siya. Ganito. And then yung tamago na half, that's 25 pesos. So for 180 plus 90, 270 plus 25, mga 305. Pero kung ramen lang and one meat, 180 plus 50, 230 lang, may ramen ka na. So, ito yung mga kasama. May spring onions. Tapos yung noodles niya, hindi siya yung super high quality. Pero yung broth nito, grabe, may laban. As in, super sarap. Okay, sige, tara, kain na tayo. Okay, tikman muna natin yung broth. Ang sarap talaga. Alam nyo ba, isa to sa mga ang tawag natin ito pandemic food. Isa to sa na-discover namin during pandemic. Now the noodles. Ang sarap. Grabe. For the price, panalo to. Now, tikman natin yung meat. Tingnan nyo, ang kapal. Grabe, ang lambot. In fairness yung meat itself, masasabi kong mas malasa siya kaysa kay ramen nagi. No? Yung meat It's so good. Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa Gatsuman. Panalo talaga yung tonkatsu ramen nila. So try nyo, please. On to the next stop. Okay, for our next stop, dito tayo sa Uma. Let's go. Okay, nandito na yung order natin. So we have the beef gyudon. Hinalo ka na pero may egg yan kanina kasi maganda yon hinahalo mo habang mainit. Then we have the ebi tempura and their tamago and cheese aburi. Sobrang sarap nito. Tara, kain na tayo! Okay, start tayo dito sa tamago and cheese aburi. Grabe, sobrang sarap nito. Ayan. Itong outer layer, burnt cheese yan. Tapos may tamago sa loob. Tapos may fried enoki. And then yung aligimeo sauce. Kaya tayo. Grabe, ang sarap. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung burnt cheese. Tapos yung sauce niya, tsaka yung crunch ng fried enoki. Ang sarap, grabe. It's so good. Okay. Next, try natin yung kanilang ebi tempura. Grabe, kung makikita nyo, kasama pa yung ulo, yung head, kasi super crunchy niya. Pwede mo talaga siyang kainin as is. Tapos ito yung sauce nila. One of them is herb aioli at saka aligimeo. Sobrang sarap ng herb aioli. As in. Ito. Kaya tayo. Grabe. Sobrang sarap ng batter niya. Sobrang light. Tapos yung sauce, kakaiba talaga yung sauce nila rito. Ang sarap. So good. And then lastly, try na natin itong beef gyudon. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? Oopsie. Beef gyudon. Oh my God. It's your typical gyudon, pero sobrang quality ng ingredients. Ang lambot ng beef. Tapos, ang sarap ng timpla niya, saktong-sakto. Okay, we're done here sa Uma. Let's go to the next stop. Okay, for our next stop, dito tayo sa Bakehouse sa Shangri-La. Let's go. Okay, ito na yung order natin. We have the almond croissant. And for me, this is the best almond croissant in the Metro. We have the lemon cruffin. Sobrang sarap din ito. And yung kanilang pastas de nata. So basically, it's an egg tart. Let's eat! Okay, let's start with the almond croissant. Grabe, ang sarap talaga nito, promise. Ito yung pinakamasarap na croissant. I'm not even kidding. And ito rin yung pinaka-affordable. I can't believe how affordable yung mga pastries nila rito. So, yan. Oh my God, bagong luto pa. Wait, medyo messy to kainin. But I wanna show you the filling. Okay, so ito siya. Actually, medyo messy siya kainin kasi nga sobrang flaky niya. Pero ang sarap ng texture nito, pati ng filling. Consistent. Ang sarap talaga. I've tasted a lot of croissants, almond croissants from different bake shops. Yung iba can go as high as 250, pero ito lang talaga yung pinakamasarap and pinakasulit. Okay, next is yung lemon cruffin. So basically, it's like a croissant shaped into a muffin with lemon filling. Panalo rin to. One of my favorite. Okay, so ito yung first bite natin. Ang sarap talaga ng lemon filling niya. Hindi siya ganun kaasim, sakto lang. Tapos ang sarap ng texture ng croissant. It's so good. And lastly, yung kanilang Portuguese tart. Oh my God. No joke. Masarap pa to kay Lord's Toast. And for only 65 pesos. Sobrang sulit. Ang sarap talaga. Okay, so that's it. Tapos na tayo rito sa Bakehouse. On to the next stop. Okay, for our next stop, dito tayo sa Dean and DeLuca. Let's go! Okay, nandito na yung order natin, which is the truffle pasta at saka yung iced caramel sea salt latte. The best to, as in wala pa akong nakainan na restaurant na dumaig sa truffle pasta rito. And their sea salt caramel latte is really good as well. Let's eat. Okay, start muna tayo dito sa iced caramel sea salt latte nila. Ang sarap talaga nito. Ang tapang nung espresso niya. Tapos sakto yung caramel, tapos may hint of saltiness dahil dun sa sea salt. It's really good and refreshing. Okay, next, the best truffle pasta in town. Grabe to, ang sarap nito. Favorite namin to sa whole family. As in, let me know kung ano yung go-to truffle pasta nyo, pero for me, ito yung pinakamasarap na natikman ko across the Philippines. Okay, first bite. Ang sarap. Ito talaga, lasang-lasa mo yung truffle. Hindi siya hint ng truffle lang. Tapos yung truffle nila, hindi lang siya truffle oil. As in talagang ginagrate nila yung truffle dito. Sasarap din ng mushroom. Yung pasta, sakto yung luto. Really good. Okay, we're done here sa Dean and DeLuca. Let's go to the next stop. Okay, for our final stop, dito tayo sa Maisen, the best katsu house for me, and ang pinaka-paborito kong restaurant dito sa BGC. Let's go! Okay, we're here at Maisen and I've saved the best for last. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong restaurant dito sa BGC. So pag sinabing katsu, the first thing that comes to mind is yabu. Pero for me, this is so much better. Ito yung mga ino-order namin dito. Okay, ito na yung order natin. So we have the ebi katsu set and the loin set. Ayan, lahat ng sides dito is refillable. Tapos, ang pinaka-paborito ko rito, itong tartar sauce nila, grabe. May pagkaano siya, lasang potato salad ng konti. So anyway, kain na tayo. Okay. I'm so excited. Ito ang best ebi katsu in town. Narinig nyo ba yun? Grabe, ang sarap. Tsaka ang laki talaga ng prawn nila. See? This is their loin katsu. Sobrang lambot. Ang sarap. Panalo rin yung panalo rin yung roasted sesame nila dito na dressing sa cabbage. It's really good. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa Maisen. Grabe, ang sarap talaga ng mga katsu nila rito. So please, if you're here in BGC, give them a try. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi. Okay, so that concludes our Where to Eat in BGC. Hopefully, nabigyan ko kayo ng idea kung saan kakain at kung ano yung kakainin. See you on the next one. Bye!